Do you plan on getting your first tattoo or just recently got a new one? Well, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the worst things to do to a brand new tattoo. Doing these things will affect how your tattoo heals and also how it looks in the future, so you're not going to want to miss it. Leave a comment below on what kind of tattoo you plan on getting. If this is your first time here, my name's Mike and this is Manly Man TV. And on this channel, I post weekly men's lifestyle videos and tattoo videos just like this one. So if that's the kind of stuff you're looking for, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell notification just so you don't miss a thing. The first thing I want to talk about, and it's probably the worst thing that you could do to a brand new tattoo, is not taking the healing process seriously. People get so worried about what the tattoo feels like and getting the tattoo done that they completely forget about the most important part, and that is the healing process. Not keeping up with the tattoo healing process can result in tattoo infection and a horrible looking tattoo in the long run. A fresh tattoo on average takes about 2 weeks to fully heal. So in the span of those 2 weeks, you need to make it a priority to wash and moisturize your tattoo 3 times a day. I made a whole video on my tattoo healing process. After you watch this video, there'll be a link down below to that video. Now this next thing I get a bunch of comments on, and it is about how much tattoo product you should be using on your fresh tattoo. Using too much or too little tattoo healing products is one of the worst things that you could do to a brand new tattoo. Using too much lotion or healing ointment will clog your pores. That will make your skin break out and cause a bunch of pimples all over the tattoo. And plus, it is really important for your new tattoo to be able to breathe. Using too little product, well, the product's not going to be able to do what it's supposed to do for your tattoo. You want to apply a thin layer to your tattoo of both the healing ointment and also the lotion. And what I do to achieve this is get a little bit on your finger. You can always add more if needed. Then apply it to your new tattoo. After applying it, like you see here, usually get a clean napkin, put it over the tattoo, and kind of peel it off. After peeling off the paper towel, I will make sure my hands are clean and smooth out the remaining product that's over my tattoo, making sure that it's a very thin layer but also fully covering the tattoo. And side tip of what we're talking about right now, you want to make sure you're using unscented lotion, soap, and healing ointment to your new tattoo. I see so many people using whatever kind of lotion they have inside of their house, and doing that could cause your tattoo to be irritation and possible infection. If you're interested in the products that I use for my tattoos, I will link to my Amazon store below where I have all my recommended products. So if you're interested, link down below. Moving on to number 3 on some of the worst things that you could do to a brand new tattoo, and I see this so often, and that is not protecting your new tattoo from the sun. No matter if your tattoo is brand new or old, the sun will affect your tattoo. A brand new tattoo is vulnerable. It's trying to heal, so I'm not saying apply any kind of sunscreen if your tattoo is still healing. You definitely want to try to cover up and keep it out of the sun as much as you can. Now, when it's fully healed, you still want to protect it from the sun, but if you plan on going out somewhere and you know you're going to be outside and the sun's going to be beating on you, apply some moisturizing sunscreen to protect your tattoo. If I have a fresh tattoo and I know I need to go outside, I will wear some kind of loose clothing. That brings us to number 4 on the worst things that you could do to a tattoo, and that is wearing too tight of clothing. Now, yes, like I said earlier, you want to make sure you're protecting your tattoo from the sun, but the worst thing to do is wearing a really tight, say, long sleeve shirt. Wearing too tight of clothes will irritate your tattoo, and it's going to cause it to be itchy and just not feel good at all. Plus, when you get to the stage of your tattoo starting to peel, the worst thing for you to do is to have a shirt, for example, be rubbing up against a peeling tattoo, ripping off the flake, because that will just make the tattoo heal horribly. Wearing loose clothing will not only eliminate irritation to your new tattoo, but it will also help with the healing process because your tattoo will be able to breathe while you're outside and also, again, protect it from the sun. On to the next thing, and I know it is very hard for you to do. Trust me, I deal with it too, but that is trying not to touch or scratch your new tattoo while it's healing. Yeah, I know when a tattoo is healing, it's it's very itchy and you just want to scratch the hell out of it, or you know, it's brand new to you so you want to touch it, you want to avoid picking, touching, and scratching your tattoo as much as possible. Those scabs that you will see when the tattoo is healing, you want to leave those on as long as possible. Scratching and picking those off will cause your tattoo to lose color and detail. Plus, touching your tattoo too much will irritate it and you could possibly get it infected that way as well. My best advice when your tattoo starts to get really itchy is applying whatever unscented lotion you are using. Again, not too much, but applying lotion to your itchy tattoo will soothe it and also get rid of that itching. Also, one of the worst things that you could do to a tattoo is submerging it in any kind of water. For about the 2 weeks that your tattoo is healing, you want to try to avoid baths, pools, oceans, anything to where your tattoo will be fully submerged underwater. The reason for this is because bacteria lives in big bodies of water. So just to be on the safe side and to avoid tattoo infection, just make sure for those 2 weeks you're not fully submerging it in any kind of water. There's a lot more I could talk about in this video, but it would be too long. So if you want to see part 2 of the worst things that you could do to a brand new tattoo, make sure you give this video a nice big thumbs up. If you want to learn more about tattoos, check this playlist right here. Subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification just so you don't miss future videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.